we got the full-on ram mount thing. We're doing a product unboxing video.
We're doing a sponsorship video. We're gonna have to blur out the word RAM.
Ram.
Yeah, because they're not paying us money.
This generic brand phone mount is working great. If only someone would sponsor us.
Tell me more.
Oh, you know, it's just a generic off-the-shelf phone mount. I have no major recommendations about it one way or another.
It's a beef mount. It's a beef mount.
Yeah, we got the full-on mount thing. I'm gonna double check what our time was on the last time we did.
I feel like we were like probably a little bit slower. I'll say it was faster last time. It's definitely not pushing as hard, I don't think.
Start out.
Over the
We took 24 seconds off.
Okay.
Well, 68 cars. I think 4 cars dropped.
Travis. Is that Travis?
I think so.
I don't know.
Morning.
Morning.
Morning, guys. Got a smile and a nod. They recognized us, dude.
Yeah.
They didn't. They don't know who we are. Yeah. The first time, their 3 was a 2, and their 2 over here was a 3. This time, they finished up after we started. Okay, we're gonna use the last of the battery here for our transit to Maryhill. Yeah, things are going all right, I think. We lost some gloves, maybe. Hopefully we'll find them.
Might be found.
Stay tuned. Hello.
Are those my gloves?
Are these your gloves?
Those are my gloves! Holy sh**. You have to win now that you got respect.
Thank you.
Thank you! That's what it says on the schedule, so okay, I don't want to.
Little B-roll. All right.
We'll beat this roll.
5, 4, 3, 2,
We're just
1.
go at like.
Boo, 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 boo.
Okay.
AW11. Can we see if we can buy this guy's car real quick?
Let's keep going.
I forgot how loud it was.
Yeah, it's kind of loud. I can make it a little quieter. With proper application of throttle, anything is possible. We're doing our vlog now.
Yeah, here we are. So a lot of people have been asking me,
You've got a lot of questions lately.
how do you win a stage ride? Well, wait, let me show you.
Today we're going to talk about my top 10 ways to win a stage ride.
Kennedy Creek. You want to look at it?
Left 5 into.
Good job. Let the hate flow inside.